Given that y is equal to ln of x all squared, find dy by dx and hence show that the second derivative is 2 times 1 minus ln of x over x squared. Okay, so we're going to do this using the chain rule. So the chain rule will bring down the number in front of the bracket, so dy by dx will be 2. Write down the bracket, reduce the power by 1, so it will be to the power 1, which we won't bother writing in, times the differential of the bracket, which is 1 over x. And that will give me 2 ln of x over x. Right, to find the second derivative, we're going to, this is type u over v, so we'll use the quotient rule. Now the quotient rule is actually on the formula booklet, but you should really know it. So it's v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So u is 2 ln of x, so v will be x times the derivative of 2 ln of x, which is 2 over x, minus u, which is 2 ln of x, times the derivative of v, which is 1, over v squared, which is x squared. These x's will cancel, so you're going to get 2 minus 2 ln of x over x squared, common factor here of 2, so you're going to get 2 times 1 minus ln of x over x squared as required. So this has been a video to show you how to find the second derivative using both the chain rule and the quotient rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.